What's up, guys? How's it going? Let's do another E30 build update. Not much has changed since the last time I made one. Well, I'd say a good amount has changed. So I finally got all the coolant hoses attached and got coolant running through the system, or water and a Prestone like solvent or like system cleaner mixed in with the coolant. I do have a leak around the thermostat housing, which I'll have to fix, but I'm going to take the whole cooling system apart and clean it real well, and then I'll fill it up with coolant again. Finally got the car to idle by itself, but now I am having a problem where the second I give it gas, it just falls on its face and stalls. So my fix, so I did a leak down test, a smoke test, see if we had any vacuum leaks, which I will have a video up either in a couple days or the following week of doing that. I had a small leak, but nothing serious enough not to cause it to idle. So I replaced the TPS sensor with a new one, and that fixed my idling issues. I still have to mess around with the idle screw, which is right there, but it snaps, so I have to get another one. Make sure that my cold start was good with the idle, but the second it warmed up, the idle dropped down and it was too low, so I needed to adjust that again. I found a great forum online that I'll link in the video description on how to set up the idle. But still having a tiny bit of the idling issue of very low idle, so it's super choppy, but it idles, so that's a step forward. Next issue, or next to figure out, is maybe it's my fuel pump or some other random issue. I will be replacing all of these rubber boots right here, just to, one, make it look aesthetically pleasing, and two, just to make sure that there's no cracks that I'm missing. As for the interior, nothing's changed. Brom seats and harnesses, missing the 5th point. Everything else is here. I'm going to end up relocating the hazard switch and the check panel into the vent that I'm going to be making. Event delete. But other than that, nothing's changed. So let me show you that it idles by itself. I do have something kind of knocking in the transmission. I don't know if you can hear it, but the second I put the clutch in, it goes away. So it's either some bearing or it's the PurOl bearing. But the car idles just very low, and then fix one issue, one pops up, but it's an E30, and making progress. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. My pedal house pedals. I do have the Mishimoto Motorsports door panels. I forget if I mentioned that last time. I started making a video about it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that video. I do also have the Brom harness bar. It doesn't fit exactly for the E30, and eventually I'll get a half cage to fix that issue, but for now it works. I mean, I'm not driving the car, so nothing more to do. But other than that, that's the build update. Thank you guys for watching. I want to say thank you to my sponsors, ECS Tuning, Garagistic, Mishimoto, and PurOl. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any ideas on my idling issue. And have a great day.